You want me to sit down on the chair?
Be free. Just sit down and feel free.
After I sit, I should feel free.
Chizoba, sit down.
Oh, thank you, my queen. On the chair. I want to be sure.
Chizoba.
Majesty.
If you're a king and you have a son who is abroad and he wants to come home to see his wife to be, but unfortunately he was denied visa. Now, fortunately for him, a friend of his was able to get him a visa to a neighboring country that is close by. Would you allow the wife to go and see him?
Will you allow it? My queen, will you allow it? Because everything you have said now, I do not understand. So as my majesty, if you will allow it, I will allow it.
See, what your majesty is trying to say is this. Our son had a passport, but the passport has expired. And he cannot travel with that passport. So his friend got him another passport with a visa. But his flight will land in Dubai. That visa is to take him to Dubai. So he cannot come to Nigeria with that visa. So he will stay there for 5 days for them to be able to get another passport and visa for him to now come to Nigeria. Because if he comes to Nigeria with that visa, they will arrest him here. The police will arrest him and lock him up. And that's why we called you to explain to you.
Have they arrested him now?
No.
But they will arrest him?
Yes.
Because I do not still understand. I am not army, I'm not police. So I want to know if they have arrested him, what I can do to help, to release him.
They've not arrested him.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.